Have you noticed this? Many students start research with big excitement and then they get stuck for months because the topic is too broad, the data is not available, or someone says change the topic. Today I'll show you a simple method to choose a healthcare research topic that you can actually finish, analyze, write, and publish. I call it the 5S topic filter. Hi, welcome back to Me the Red Fox channel. I'm your research mentor. This video is for UG, PG, and PhD students in healthcare and allied health fields. If you're starting a dissertation, thesis, proposal, or your first paper, this is your best starting point. In the next 15 minutes, you will learn 3 things. First, how to choose a research topic using one simple filter. Second, how to convert a general interest into a clear research question. Third, how to avoid the 2 mistakes that waste the most time. Why does this matter? Because a good topic is not the one that sounds impressive. A good topic, the one you can complete with your time, your setting, your resources, and your sample. When the topic is right, everything becomes easier. Objectives, study design, statistics, and manuscript writing. Let's do this like a mentor conversation, not like a strict lecture. Now let's start with the 5S topic filter. Whenever you think of a topic, pass it through these 5 S's. S number 1 is specific. If your topic fits into one clear sentence, it is specific. If it sounds like an entire textbook chapter, it's not. S number 2 is suitable to your setting. Your setting is your reality, your hospital or college, patient flow, lab support, instruments, permissions, and timetable. A topic can be excellent in a big institute, but impossible in your setting. S number 3 is sample available. If you cannot get enough participants or samples, your study will struggle. You don't need a huge sample, but you need a realistic sample. S number 4 is simple to measure. If you cannot measure your outcome clearly, analysis becomes painful. Choose outcomes that are measurable. A score, a lab value, a diagnosis, a clear yes or no, or a standard test. S number 5 is significant. Significant does not mean world changing. Significant means it solves a real problem, improves practice, adds clarity, or helps decision making. Here's the mentor truth. A topic is good only when it passes all 5 C's. And here's a simple trick to make any topic clearer. Write your topic like this: population plus problem plus outcome plus time. So the core rule for today is simple. Choose a topic you can finish, not a topic you can only dream about. Now let's apply this filter with real healthcare examples. Now let's apply this with a common healthcare example. Many students say, I want to do research on diabetes. Diabetes is important, but that topic is too broad. Let's pass it through the 5S filter. First, make it specific. Instead of diabetes, we make it specific like this: medication adherence and HbA1c control in adults with type 2 diabetes attending our clinic. Second, check if it is suitable for your setting. Do we have access to patients in a clinic or hospital outpatient department? Usually yes. Can we measure HbA1c or use recent lab reports? Usually yes. Can we collect adherence information using a standard questionnaire? Yes. Third, confirm sample available. In most healthcare settings, type 2 diabetes cases are common, so sample is feasible. Fourth, keep it simple to measure. HbA1c is measurable. Adherence can be measured using a validated adherence tool. Fifth, ensure it is significant. This is significant because it supports better control, fewer complications, and better patient counseling. Now convert it into a clean research question. In adults with type 2 diabetes, is lower medication adherence associated with poorer HbA1c control over the last 3 months. See what happened? We didn't change your interest, we shaped it into something doable. And once your topic becomes this clear, your next steps become easier. Objectives become clearer, variables become obvious. Study design becomes simpler, statistics become less scary. Now let's take a second example that works in any country. Many students say, I want to study antibiotic resistance. Again, important but broad. So we make it specific like this. Antibiotic resistance pattern of urinary tract infection isolates in our hospital over the last 6 months. Now check the 5S filter. Is it suitable? Lab records and culture sensitivity reports are available in most hospitals. Is the sample available? UTI cases are common, so the sample is feasible. Is it simple to measure? Resistance is reported as sensitive or resistant. Is it significant? Yes, because it guides antibiotic choice and reduces misuse. Now the research question becomes, what is the resistance pattern of UTI isolates to commonly used antibiotics in our hospital during the last 6 months? This is the kind of topic that is realistic, measurable, clinically useful, and publishable. Same filter, different problem. Works anywhere. Now let's quickly cover the 2 mistakes students make, and then we'll do the ethical AI minute. Now let me save you from 2 common mistakes that waste months. Mistake 1, choosing a topic that is too big. Why it happens? Students want a topic that sounds very advanced, quick fix, narrow it using one population, one measurable outcome, and one time period. Make it small, then make it strong. Mistake 2, you're choosing a topic without confirming access. Why it happens? Topic first, your reality check later. Quick fix. Before finalizing, do a 10-minute feasibility check. Can I get the sample? Can I measure the outcome? Can I finish within my timeline? Do I have permissions? Avoid these 2 mistakes and your research journey becomes smoother immediately. Now my signature segment, the ethical AI minute. AI can save time, but remember one rule. AI helps structure and speed, but never trust it for facts unless you verify. Here's an ethical way to use AI for topic selection. Use AI to generate topic options, keywords, and a feasibility checklist. Here is the paste ready prompt. Listen carefully. Act as a research mentor for healthcare students. My broad interest is choosing a thesis topic in healthcare. 1. Give me 10 specific research topic options feasible in a college or hospital setting. 2. For each option, write population, outcome, exposure or intervention, and a simple feasibility score for 6 to 8 weeks. 3. Provide PubMed keywords and niche terms for the above 3 options. 4. Give a short 5S topic filter checklist for final selection. Important. Do not invent citations or numbers. Now the warning. Never copy AI references directly. Always verify papers in PubMed or official sources. What should you save today? A 1-page note with your top 3 topic options, keywords, and feasibility checklist. That becomes your topic selection document. Now let's finish with one simple takeaway. A great topic is not the one that sounds big. It's the one you can finish and publish. In the next video on Me To Red Fox channel, we'll convert your chosen topic into 1 aim and 4 strong objectives using a healthcare example. If this helped you, share it with one friend who is starting research. See you in the next one.